big congratulations to you. Hey, big shot, headed to the state championship. Just talk about after the free throws, making that big shot.
Confidence was a little shaky, but once I got the ball, I know I pressed that shot hundreds of times. I didn't want to let my teammates down, and I made the shot to take us home.
And also just talk about staying with it, the whole team, during the half and the second half, just bringing it on home.
Man, no matter what, whether how much you play or not, I'm always go in, give 100% for my teammates and give it all game. And again, we're going to the state championship, so that's all that matters.
K104 Sports, Trey, big win. Y'all punch your ticket to state. How do you feel about the win?
I feel amazing, man. My first year going to state, I feel amazing.
All right, along with that, big threes, big scoring. Just talk about not letting the moment get too big and you just making shine when you need to.
I tell my team, keep fighting, don't give up. And I came out really confident, and we got the job done.
All right, just talk about your teammate Hastings, pulling it off big, low moment at the free throw line, then coming out making the three.
Well, I say that's his son. So they are the two smartest players. Well, the player and the coach, they are too smart. So he told his son to miss it. We'll get the rebound, kick it to him, game time. And it worked all out.
And for everyone that doesn't know about North Crowley, what they need to know.
We him.